Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Razer mouse not detected on Razer Synapse. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if having problems with your Razer mouse here, it's not being detected by Razer Synapse, well, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So first things first is you want to go to your search at the bottom here, and you want to just type in the following. It's going to be device manager, and from here make sure it's actually properly spelled, and you want to open up the device manager here. And what you need to do is you just need to look for your device, so either a mouse or keyboard here. You want to go and just look for the appropriate one. Now usually for keyboards you want to go to keyboards, and for mice you want to go open up mice here. So what you need to do is you want to go and just look for the device that you're having with. So for some mouse, your mice here or mouse, you want to right click on your mouse and you want to go and click on the uninstall device option here. Now it's going to give you the pop-up here. So you want to uninstall a device from system. So also you should see, or if you have a Razer mouse here, usually you have the option to see a square box here that says if you want the data for your mouse, you want to select that as well and just click on uninstall. But yeah, so once you've uninstalled your mouse here, you want to go and just restart your PC and see if that actually helps. But yeah, so this is a simple solution that you could try doing here. Simply just uninstalling it and basically restarting your PC can actually help a lot. So yeah, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.